To you. Happy birthday to Robin. Happy birthday to Robin. Happy birthday to you. We love you, we do. We love you, we do. We love you, dear Robin. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hooray!
Ja, dan wou eens verder. Ik heb toch wel eens een ja, dan wou baby. Ja, dan
And now the next present from Julie.
First put that present down.
His coffee and his breakfast.
He's so sleepy. Yeah, yo, good chocolate.
Just so you guys know,
Happy birthday.
Robin got a from us. The chocolate in the bag.
In the bag,
That pakje eentjes is zomaar in die klaartje en de 15 met wings.
Locally produced.
Anything you want to say, Robin?
Good morning. Yo, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Fatima. Yo, this is an awesome, amazing gift that was given to me. I'm privileged to have known or know all your sisters, and I thank you for welcoming me into your family. I miss your mommy dearly. I think of her often, you know, and thank you so much for having me in your family.
Oh, Robin. Love you, Robin. We're cleaning up now before we leave the whole place. Even though they bring in people, we like to not leave a dirty place. Robin's packing. Hello everyone, this is part 3 of our Goudini Spa Holiday. We've moved from where we were to the Bolan houses, and this is the kitchen. There's Hatta. This is our first room, and we've got a nice room. More beds, which is fantastic. Bring light in. And then my favorite. Oh, here's another room. I like the sun coming in there. And this is the kitchen. Here's the bathrooms, the shower. And another bath. Okay, I don't know if I'm keeping it right because I want to be in the video as well. And this is our lounge area. Just gonna lounge about, and then of course, let me show you where the pool is. We're gonna have a okay. This is where we are at. We're still at Goudini, we're just at a different house, a bigger house. We didn't realize we're gonna fall at other houses so much. It's like a circle. And there's the pool. I'm definitely going to swim. Kini, go back. No, I'm definitely coming in here. Definitely. Oh, the wind's coming up, but it's quite hot. So over there is the other house. The half of our crew is there, so we can just run over, and we in this one, number 10, there number 5.
Now, I was last year. This wasn't so that great, is it? Is it? Moet ek het uitpak die tee? Kan dan laat ek het. Dan is het lekker, mama. Ja, is lekker, broccoli. That's what's for today, is it?
All the vegetables.
Sal dit daar buite kan? All my favorite stuff is in this bag.
There's poppies.
Poppy.
Here's the birthday boy enjoying themselves. Hello guys, it's Robin's birthday and we're preparing his supper. There's lilies, we're going to do some veg. There's some nice savory rice, some squash. What is hier in my oene? Ah, he's niks in it. Okay, and then we're making lots and lots, Robin's favorite, prawns, my paprika prawns, as you can see. Look at that. Yummy in my tummy. Birthday prawns. Okay, the prawns is all done. Supper time soon.
You see somebody's voting behind. Videotaping me. We gaan gou salads maak, né?
Okay. Finishing off with our Goudini trip. Here's our birthday supper. Nice salads. Okay, and some vegetables. There's the whole crew, guys. Everyone say bye-bye to everyone. We had a wonderful time. Birthday boy. We're going to enjoy ourselves now. So guys, that was the end. We're going to be here still 2 days, but we'll stop vlogging. We're just going to relax. And it will be the same like this. And just relaxing and enjoying ourselves. So everyone have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the videos I posted of our holiday, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Love you guys. Bye.
We're on video now. So hello. Hello. The two beaches in our seawater under the moonlight. All right.